Welcome back guys, JDog here from SeekaHost, and today we're going to be going through how you can add a 123 Reg domain to SeekaHost Hosting, getting you a great price for WordPress or PBN hosting, or of course taking advantage of all of our free features that we do offer. You can get yourself a free email address that doesn't cost you anything, unlike 123 Reg. Get yourself a free SSL, and you can also add yourself a tracking site so you can track all your Google and Clicky analytics all in one easy place on our SeekaHost portal. So with that, let's get into the video. So now we're on our 123 Reg and we have got the domain of theworldblogger.com. What we're going to do is we're just going to be heading over to manage. First of all, what we do want to do is we actually want to unlock it before we do change any of the name servers, because of course it's locked as a matter of security. So you can go through change name servers and then it'll give you another option, or you can in fact just go to manage domain locking first. You can just come on here and click this. This will then unlock your domain, meaning that you can change the name servers and then lock it back up afterwards. So I'm just going to hit back to go to that page, and then we're just going to get ourselves set up on this page. So we're going to go to change name servers. This is going to be where we change them. Now we can head on over to SeekaHost.com. If you haven't got an account yet, you can make an account. It's absolutely free. You can check out all the dashboard, you know, how it all works if you like it, and then go ahead and get your hosting or your domain afterwards. However, in this case, we're just going to sign in and we're just going to sort out our hosting for this domain. And if you are looking for domains and you just want to get the domain and the hosting from us, we do have a sale on at the moment, so you're going to be able to get your domain at a great price. So once you log into your account, you're going to see that you have the choice of PBN blogs or WordPress sites. PBN blogs are for private blog networks with separate IPs and name servers. WordPress sites are for slightly bigger sites, or just your normal blogging site that you want to create if you're not creating a network, as it holds a little bit more space. Now, if you don't have a package yet selected with us, you can just come over to the hosting plans and then choose a package. I'm going to go for WordPress this time, so let's just have a look quickly at the prices, and you can see from £1 a month you get the startup package. That includes a WordPress site, 2 GB worth of web space, free email accounts, one-click installers, DDoS protection, malware protection, and all that sort of good stuff. So go ahead first and choose the plan that suits you depending how many sites you have. Once you have done that from your dashboard, just come to WordPress sites afterwards, and this is how we're going to start up the site. So on the top right, you're going to see create WordPress site. We're going to click on that. In the site domain section, just put in the site domain of your 123 Reg domain or any other domain if you are using it from a different hosting. Add in the blog title. Keep the WordPress site visible, unless of course you don't want it to be visible, and then choose the package that you selected. If you haven't chosen the package already, it's alright, because it will prompt you at this point just to choose a package, and then we can go ahead and add the WordPress site. This will take a minute, maybe 2 minutes, just to connect up the site, and after that we just need to change the name servers, and that is it. You're done, you've got your hosting, you're going to be ready to go, you can start editing your WordPress site. Whilst that's loading, I just thought I'd show you what you can take advantage of, some of the features on SeekaHost or on the Seeka portal. So if you come over to tracking sites here, this is a great feature that you can use to actually add all your analytics in one place. For instance, here I've got it set up for this one, so if I come over to action, I'm going to be able to check out both my Google and my Clicky analytics. I've already got this set up. If you do want to find out how to do this, we've got a video be popping up right now where you can find out how to add the Google Analytics and then the Clicky Analytics as well, which you can all have on your SeekaHost portal, being able to check all of your sites quickly and easily before you even go onto them. Awesome, so that is done now, and we're going to go over to action button here on theworldblogger.com, and this is where we can now add the name servers. One thing to note is that I do suggest taking your username and your password. You can click the I and then it will show you the password, and just take a little note of this. Once you add in your SSL certificate to secure your site, make sure the data is more secure going through there, it is going to take this off of your page. You will still get an email though, to what the email that you registered with, just letting you know what your username and your password is, so don't worry, it's not going to be completely lost. I just prefer just take a quick note now, just so I haven't got to go through my emails afterwards. Now what we're going to be doing is we're going to be grabbing the name server one over here, and we're just going to be copying that, and then we're going to head back over to our 123 Reg on the name servers where we left it after we clicked manage domain. So name server 1, we're going to right hand click in there and just paste that into there. And then what we can do for name server 2 is simply do exactly the same thing again, but just change the NS1 to an NS2. Of course, do check your SeekaHost, but as a rule we have ns1.seekahostcontrolroom.com and then ns2 with the same line there. So we've got ns1 there, ns2, we've got both of our name servers inputted, and we can now go to update. This will now update our custom name servers to make sure that it's pointed to the right place, so when people click your domain, it's going to take you through to your hosting with the site that you've built on SeekaHost. Success name servers have been updated. We're going to go to Manage Domains, and then come back down to Manage Domain Tracking. So let's click that, let's just make sure that it's locked. Excellent, so press back now, and that's it, that's all completely done. Your domain's safe from having more name server changes. and it's pointed in the right direction. Awesome, we can leave 123reg.com now, and I'm just going to take a quick note of my login details, and then you're going to head on over to SSL. This is to add your SSL certificate, so rather than having HTTP, it's going to be HTTPS, which is always more secure, and will of course always get recommended over HTTP websites. Great, so the SSL will be activated in around 30 minutes for our website. If we just click back on WordPress site info over here, it's going to take us back to our site. And as you can see here, we have a little preview of the site live already. Of course, it's a completely empty site, so it hasn't got anything on there but the default stuff, but you are seeing a preview, which means we're up and connected. Now, just to log in, you can hit site login there. You can type in your domain followed by wp-admin, and they'll both take you to your login page where you can log in. However, before we do that, I just want to show you one more feature that we do have here on SeekaHost, and again, it's absolutely free and it's a great feature. If you click on email accounts on the right hand side here, you're going to be able to create yourself a free email account. To do this, simply take out with the email address here and just put whatever start you want to your email, because it's going to be this at theworldblogger.com. So in this case, I'm just going to put admin, so it's going to be admin@theworldblogger.com, and then we're simply going to tap create email. This will now create your email. You'll have your password right here, and if you refresh the page, this is pretty instant, to be honest. It does create it really fast. There we go. If you want to log in, just click the blue button right here, and it's going to take you to your login page for your email address. Now, just to make sure that all is working, let's just go to site login and check. Awesome, so we're on. We can start editing theworldblogger.com, and we're all up and running within a matter of minutes. Just a little quick tip that we're going to go through here is just going over to your settings section first when you have set this up, and just change your HTTP to HTTPS on both of them, and then add in the www. On your settings right here. It's going to be for your WordPress address and your site address URL as well. Simply come down to save and then add in your username, email, and then your password again. And one more is don't forget to sort out your permalinks. Head on over to Permalinks, just sort out the structure. Usually post name is a good default, just so then you don't have random numbers and letters when you do create a post. And then just go ahead and save changes. Again, totally up to you, but this is just a little tip that I'm going to give just for when you do first start your site. So thanks for watching, guys. I hope you found that helpful. For any more videos like this, don't forget to check out our other videos on our YouTube channel, or of course our knowledge base. We have got lots of stuff on WordPress, PBN hosting, even domain hosting as well. So thanks for watching, and we'll catch you next time. Bye bye.